Hello, Pisces. Welcome to your reading. This is for May 21st to May the 23rd. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our um, catered for our international audiences, no? And kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun din po yan sa kabilang channel. Pero kung wala po kayong time, no, at wala po kayo, hindi niyo matsyempohan, dito po, no, sa comment section, dito sa reading na ito, sa YouTube, no, pwede po kayong mag-ask ng question as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Alright? Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no question, meron naman po tayong form, no? Dito sa description box ng video na ito, meron po dong link. All you need to do is to click the link, you will be routed to my page sa aking website. Nandun po ang form. So we have one question, two questions, and we have a promotion of 4+1, no? So you can type your question on the form, click the submit button, and follow the instructions. And if you also want to book a personal reading, dun po yun sa description box as well. So Pisces, this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. So take what's only yours. Pisces, simulan na natin, no? Bakit parang feeling mo itong relasyon ninyo, hindi mo alam bakit bigla kayong nagkaganon, no? The next day, bigla na lang wala, no? The next day, kumbaga hinahanap mo siya, wala kang matandaan na meron kayong mabigat na pinag-awayan na basta bigla na lang siya naging missing in action, no? Kasi parang sa'yo, ang ayos-ayos naman namin kanina, ang ayos-ayos namin kahapon, wala akong, kumbaga nararamdaman na problema na biglang mag-a-arise, no? And then with the serendipity in here, probably sa'yo, hinahanap mo siya sa isip mo, no? Pero wala ka pang ginagawang action. So, kumbaga nag-aantay ka, baka magpakita din siya, no? Kumbaga nandun ka sa part na hindi ka nagtatake ng action. The action that you're only doing is to wait, no? For an explanation. With the Princess of Swords, the Hanged Woman, and the Seven of Wands. So, naniniwala pa rin tayo at nag-hope, no? Now, someday sooner na itong person na ito is mag-show up and mag-explain. Pero on the other side, so ito yung dalawang side ng Pisces. Yung isang side, umaasa, yung isa, sinasabi, no, you need to let go. With the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords. So as you can see, this is a different energy. Ito medyo okay, ito mabilis. And magkatalikod talaga sila, kaya ka naguguluhan. So, ito ang sabi nito, no, go to the left side and then go to the right side, medyo bilisan mo. Tapos ikaw nandito sa gitna with the Hanged Woman. Ano talaga yung gagawin ko? So parang litong-lito tayo kung ano ang magiging decision natin. Kasi nga, wala rin naman tayong clarity dahil hindi tayo binigyan ng either closure, hindi tayo binigyan ng pagkakataong maintindihan kung ano yung nangyari, ano yung reason bakit siya nawala. With the Five of Wands, the Justice, and the Three of Cups. The Five of Wands in here is the Hierophant and the Three of Wands. So I think, ang nakikita ko ditong pag-iintay mo, so tama lang na nag-aantay ka at wala kang ginagawa kasi magpapakita siyang muli with an apology. Pero, eto na nga kahit sabihin niya yung apology, parang hindi mo pa rin makuha bakit ganun yung naging reaction, bakit ganun yung magiging decision niya sa buhay. Although bibigyan mo naman siya ng chance at hindi niya na yun gagawin, no, with the Three of Cups in here, parang magkakaroon kayo ng celebrations dito and you're gonna put the connection into another level of commitment. Pero sana hindi na maulit itong basta missing in action kasi your person has the tendency of bigla-biglang nawawala, no? Unless may lahi siyang kabute, di ba? So, this is your reading for now, Pisces. Ang tignan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo, no? I'm seeing here Cancer, I'm seeing Libra, I'm seeing Leo, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm Scorpio, no? So yan ang iyong reading for now. So Pisces, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit that notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? So, nagla-live din po tayo doon. And kung feeling ninyo, hindi kayo tiyempo sa live sessions, dito po, no, sa comment section dito po sa video na ito, pwede po kayong magtanong as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, meron po tayong question form, no? Just click the link, you will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. If you also want to book a personal reading, no? Meron din po yan. So, sa description box. So, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Pisces.